So one of Tampa Bay's hottest new crazes has spawned a legal battle. It's between dueling donut companies in South Tampa. Fox 13's Evan Lambert joins us live from the mini Doughnut Factory to explain what's going on and make sure we know who's who came first, etc. there, Evan, okay?
Well, Cynthia, this lawsuit is still ongoing. The mini Doughnut Factory came first, but basically what they're alleging in the lawsuit is that the names are so similar between their business and this newer business that it's hurt their business, and they're seeking compensation. When it comes to mini donuts, customers would probably agree the more, the merrier. But a new lawsuit alleges the Little Doughnut House on Kennedy Boulevard hurt the Mini Doughnut Factory's business. The Mini Doughnut Factory is on Dale Mabry. It opened in 2015. According to the lawsuit, up until this week, Little Doughnut House was called Mini Doughnut Mill. It opened just this month. The lawsuit says that name is so close to Mini Doughnut Factory, it's trademark infringement. The suit says the owners of Mini Doughnut Mill even asked Mini Doughnut Factory if they could open a franchise. When they were told no, they opened their business less than 2 miles away to, quote, wrongfully take from the plaintiff that which it could not purchase, end quote. Intellectual property attorney Alejandro Fernandez says lawsuits like this are common.
There's a number of factors that courts look at. They're going to look at the similarity of the marks. They're going to look at the similarity of the goods and services.
The owner of the former Mini Doughnut Mill, Stephen Schaub, would not comment on the lawsuit, but told us the name change to Little Doughnut House was a business decision.
Just a rebranding decision based on, business and stuff. We felt that it would be the best name moving forward.
But Fernandez says changing the name is the best way to poke a hole in this mini donut war.
When a party that's accused of trademark infringement stops the infringing conduct or the accused conduct, at that point, there's typically no thrust behind the case.
And back live, the Mini Doughnut Factory told us that they would also not be commenting on this lawsuit. Cynthia?
Okay, so even though they have changed the name of the second location, the lawsuit continues, is that right?
At least for now, they could decide to settle, and that's something that the attorney that we spoke with said that might happen because this litigation costs money. So the crux of it comes down to the name. Now that that's changed, it's possible that there could be a settlement and that this wouldn't make it to court.
Okay, we know that you'll keep us up to date. Thank you, Evan Lambert.